Oh, wait, no. Oh. Earthworms and their cellular respiration. Anieski, Allen, and Emanuel.
Ectothermic or endothermic. Earthworms are ectothermic, which means that their bodies are used to being in a cold environment.
How does your organism's metabolism change in response to different temperatures? If the water is at room temperature, the organism's metabolism will stay the same. If the organisms are out in cold water, their metabolism will have a major increase. If the organisms are put in warm water, it is possible that their metabolism increase.
Purpose statement is to determine what effect the temperature of the environment has on the rate of our organism by measuring the production of carbon dioxide in 3 different temperatures environments.
Hypothesis. If the worms are put into cold environment compared to room temperature environment, then the cellular respiration rate will increase. If the earthworms are put in a cold environmental temperature, then the production of CO2 will slightly increase. Compared to room environmental temperature, the production of CO2 will have a major increase. The production of CO2 in a warm environmental temperature will behave a major increase compared to production of CO2 at room temperature environment.
Experimental design. Independent variable. The change in the environmental temperatures. Dependent variable. The amount of production of CO2. Control group. The room temperature environment. Constant. The amount of earthworms used and the amount of time they are kept in each environmental temperature.
Production of CO2. Blue is for cold temperature, green is for room temperature, red is for warm temperature.
Relation of CO2 and room temperature. When my organism is placed in cold environment, the respiration rate increases. Once my organism is placed in a warm environment, the respiration rate slightly changed, meaning the earthworms will not produce a lot of CO2 in a warm environment.
Case strategist or R strategies. Earthworms are R strategies due to their small bodies, the amount of time it takes for them to mature, and the amount of babies that produce.
Cycles of the earthworm. Earthworms could live for about 4 to 8 years.
Food chain. Trophic levels. The earthworm is among the largest and most significant group of decomposers. Earthworms could be classified as primary and secondary.
Possible food web.